Yo, what's up? It's Genetix. Let's see what's inside of this purchase offer. Level 13. Alright, guys. 7,000 cash. 261,684 gold. Wow, 2,000 Dilophosaurus, Megalosaurus, Postosaurus, Spinoceratops. That's awesome. I really needed that guy. Incubator. Could care less about that. Tried to hurry through that because I saw the strap tighten in the background. This is a guy that I really need at the moment. I, of course, had Sid going, which I almost have 24 hours a day if I'm not battling. Alright, so 146 on the draft height. That's decent. Okay, cool. So at first I thought we didn't receive that offer, but it looks like we did. Huh. Okay, well, if you like what you see. Okay, and this epic Brachiosaurus offer, it's not very good. Don't purchase it. If you like what you see, let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, you do you, I'll do me. Later.